Hi, I'm Juarez with Roastify. I'm going to show you how to brew one of our samples using an at-home coffee maker. First, you will need to grind one of your samples to a medium setting. It should look close to table salt size. Once you have ground your coffee, go ahead and grab your filter and pour the needed amount of coffee inside that filter. Go ahead and open up the top. Insert your paper filter into the needed position. I like to take it out and give it a little shake to level out the coffee grounds to make sure that there's an even extraction. Place it back in. Go ahead and fill up the compartment with the needed amount of water. Place that where it's supposed to go, close the lid, and push brew. This should finish in about 4 to 5 minutes.